Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record expense here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, go to the left panel and click on Purchases. Right here, and just gotta click on Expenses. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to the top right and just click on New. Now, in here, just gotta enter the date and the expense account. Let's say, for example, cost of goods sold or bad debt, and some other options right here. Okay, I'm just going to leave it to cost of goods sold. The amount right here, maybe 1,000. Now, amount is what? Tax inclusive or tax exclusive? Paid through what? PayPal Bank or the current bank that is tied to your Zoho Books account. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and add in PayPal Bank right here, as this is the only option that is tied to my Zoho Books account. Okay, tax if you have configured the tax under your settings. And optionally, you can add the vendor's name, customer's name, reference number, and some notes. Now, if you want to attach files or upload a copy of the receipt or bill, you have that option in here. Okay, the right panel. Upload once done. Click on Save right here. And after that, it now says the expense has been recorded. You have the preview. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.